Okay, there are many times within the automation process where you may want to determine the state of a feature or the status of it prior to making other decisions. And we actually have a pretty easy way to do that. So I'm going to give you a, let's see, feature, and then get state. And there is a table variation on this, which is also quite handy if you're going to be using Power Query. But fundamentally, this is going to assume the active model, but you can also specify a model that's in session, the feature name that you're interested in, and also the target worksheet and cell address. So if we enter in a new worksheet here, I'm going to drop this in sheet 1. We'll stick this at like B5. And I'm just going to go ahead and address a model that's in session right now. So let's take a look at this basket. And we can see that we have a feature called basket openings in here. So it's basically these windows in the basket here. So put in basket.prt is where I want to get the information from. And basket openings. And if we run this, you'll notice that it writes out the state of that as active. So that's actually pretty handy. So if you're looking for um, to make other decisions based on the existence of a feature or its current state, it's quite easy to do. So let's go back in here and let's maybe suppress this geometry, and it's also going to suppress its children. Now, if we run this again, you'll see that that feature is now currently suppressed.